If Apple chooses not to provide a lightning cable, why not just making it USB-C? Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about the battery pack made by Apple and if it's still worth it to buy one in 2022. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So in this video, I want to give you cons and pros about this battery pack. And to be honest, the pros are very slim. So let's start with that. The first pro is that it charges multiple devices. You can add AirPods Pro on this one, and you can also charge an iPhone with it, which is ultimately the main purpose of this battery pack. The second pro is if I attach it to this iPhone 12, I get that cool animation, which is kind of a pro, but we'll give him that. It's well integrated with the iOS software. Obviously, it's made by Apple, so it should be something that can well communicate with Apple devices. The last thing is basically the design, even though it's a bit clunky on the back when you have it attached to an iPhone like this one. So now you're walking with a bulky iPhone, but if you want to have an extension laying in your backpack and your battery is almost dead, this thing can be quite handy. And that's actually all the pros I can come up with. What about the cons? Well, the very first one is the price. Man, this thing is expensive. I can't believe that Apple asks $99 for this small gadget. And the funny thing is, it doesn't serve well. If you have even an iPhone 12 mini with a less smaller battery than, let's say, an iPhone 12 Pro Max or an iPhone 13 Pro Max, you can't charge that iPhone 12 mini from 0 to 100% with a fully charged battery pack. That's a major con if you would ask me. $99, asking $99 that's not even capable of charging an iPhone up till 100%, that's where the red flags should pop up. I mean, yeah, we all know that Apple products tend to be on the higher price, but it's not worth spending $99 on this thing. And I can safely predict that Apple may come with an improved version of this one. Let's say the Apple Battery Pack 2, I guess. And I hope that one will have a much higher charging capacity than this one. This is just bad. I've charged this one numerous times up until 100% like this time. And if my iPhone was like at, let's say 5%, and I was like, I don't know, on the highway and I wanted to charge my iPhone with this one, well, I can tell you while I'm using navigation, I'm texting people, I'm whatever, calling and all of that, my iPhone will be charged up until 40%. And I'm not exaggerating. I can guarantee you guys that iPhone, if you're using your iPhone while charging it with this battery pack, you will not get more than 50% on that battery. So that's a major second con. So we've talked about the price, which is very high. We've talked about the capacity of this battery pack. The third one is that it comes with lightning cable. And the best part, in the box, you don't get a lightning cable such as when you buy AirPods or a new iPhone. You just get this battery pack and Apple assumes that you should have a lightning cable already from your iPhone. If Apple chooses not to provide a lightning cable, why not just making it USB-C? I mean, why in the world is Apple that stubborn to stick to lightning cable? Just provide us with USB-C. That give us a much faster charging capacity. And I mean, we all have USB-C cables laying around. So that's a third con that just bothers me. I mean, if Apple tends to come up with an improved version, definitely give us a USB-C charging option. And that's the third con in my opinion. The fourth con is that it looks a bit clunky. If you attach it to an iPhone, this is the iPhone 12. It seems to be made for the iPhone 12 mini because it has the right dimensions of the iPhone 12 mini. But if you have an iPhone 12 or a 12 Pro Max or a 13 Pro Max, that doesn't matter. You will have this chassis real estate showing, which is not that bad, but why not making it a bit flatter and a bit wider? Well, in that case, people will not be able to use it on the 12 mini. I get that. But yet again, Apple, think about giving us a slimmer, less clunkier battery pack for the iPhone. I bet you will then make a lot of customers happy, and people will be more than happy to pay $100 for this small accessory. So yeah, and those are all my cons. Let's end up this video with a positive message. Yeah, the battery pack has a satisfying snapping. When you snap it to the back, you get that satisfying click, and I really like that. We get that beautiful animation that pops up, and that's also satisfying in my opinion. You can also charge AirPods on it, so it will serve you as a wireless charge, so you can have it laying around on your desk, and whenever your AirPods need some juice, you can just lay your AirPods on them, and that way you can charge them without even thinking about plugging them onto a lightning cable. And yeah, the design is kind of cool. We have this rounded edges, which is also cool at the same time, which is why not making it a bit flatter than it is. So yeah, those were my cons and pros. Am I advising you to buy this one in 2022? Absolutely not. Don't spend any money on this one. It will not give you any return on that $100 that you're spending on it. Believe me guys, just wait for the improved version and let's see how that version will be. Once that improved version will come in the market, I definitely will make a review video about it. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell to never miss my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.